Presenting, Boult Audio newly launched W20 truly wireless in-ear earbuds. It is available in colors W20 Space Black, W20 Pine Green and W20 Glacier Blue. The box contains extra pair of ear tips, warranty card, user manual, Type-C fast charging cable and wireless charging case. This latest Bluetooth technology offers a robust and seamless connection with your devices, ensuring your earbuds stay connected without interruptions, enhancing your overall listening experience. This earbud comes with 13mm bass drivers which gives rich, deep bass and high-quality audio. This earbud offers impressive 35 hours battery life and has Type-C fast charging which gives 120 minutes playtime with 10 minutes charging. It gives crystal clear calls with Zen ENC, environmental noise cancellation, mic and advanced technology effectively reduces background noise, allowing your voice to come through clearly and ensuring high quality. This earbud offers ultra-smooth, responsive audio with 45 milliseconds low latency.